Hey everybody, in this video I will show how to create a rain effect using the Apple Vision Pro SDK and for sure the Xcode beta version, the latest one, and the Reality Composer Pro program. So to start we are going to create a new project. We'll select Vision OS, an application. We'll call it rain effect. And in the immersive space option we will select mixed. Select the default folder. Well, that's loading a project. This example project will create basically two views: a content view, which is the default one, which show some buttons and some text, and then the immersive view, which is the one that loads some 3D models in our immersive space. So here, as you can see, there is the sidebar, the content, and we show a 3D model and a toggle button which will trigger the immersive space. If we go to the immersive view, we are going to see that basically we are using Reality View to load a 3D model in our immersive space, which is in our package. So if we run it, this probably will fail because in this version of Xcode, the first time you run a project, it fails. So we're going to run it again when it happens. So here is the simulator. And as we see in the preview, we have this view, which is the content view with a button, and when we press it, we see two models in the immersive space. We can move around and we can zoom in and zoom out, and that's basically the Hello World app we have when we create a project from scratch. So now to create the rain effect, we are going to go to the package. We are going to open the Reality Composer Pro, and we are going to add a particle emitter with some props. First of all, we are going to change the type of emitter to rain. We are going to play to see where is this emitter. It's here. We are going to move it to the top. And we are going to change some properties, the scale, then the bird's direction, the scale, and then on particles we are going to change basically the size to 0.5 and the lifespan to 3. Well, that's it. So then you can play with these props to achieve different results, but this is a really basic example. I will go back to Xcode and run it again. And now we will press show. We are going to see that it's raining and the 3D models here. So that's it, basically the example of this video. In the next video we are going to show how you can change the texture of the environment to, for example, make the feeling that we are on a beach or on a lake or in different places. So this will be something that we are going to see in the next video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any question or comment. Thank you.